The automotive industry plays a crucial role in modern society, not only in terms of transportation, but also in economic development, vehicle maintenance, and servicing are essential aspects of this industry, ensuring that cars remain reliable, safe, and efficient. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are vital for extending the lifespan of vehicles and optimizing their performance. This is where MK12 Autocare stands out, offering top-notch services to keep your car in top condition. As a proud member of staff at MK12 Autocare, I can personally attest to the dedication and expertise that goes into every service we provide. Located in Milton Keynes, our team is renowned for delivering comprehensive car maintenance services to ensure vehicles remain safe and roadworthy. We offer a variety of MOT tests catering to different vehicle classes. The Class 4 MOT test is perfect for most cars and vehicles with up to 8 passenger seats, ensuring they meet the DVSA's safety and environmental standards. The Class 5 MOT test is tailored for larger private passenger vehicles like minibuses and ambulances, while the Class 7 MOT test is essential for commercial vehicles weighing between 3,001 kilograms and 3,500 kilograms, ensuring business vehicles are safe for use. At MK12 Autocare, we also provide a major full service, which is an extensive checkup covering everything from engine diagnostics to brake and suspension checks. This service is designed to keep vehicles running smoothly and efficiently. Additionally, our interim oil service includes an oil and filter change, along with a basic vehicle inspection to ensure everything is in good working order. For those looking to enhance their engine's performance, the Engine Flush Plus with Liqui Moly service helps clean the engine from the inside, removing sludge and deposits to improve performance and prolong engine life. Our clients appreciate the expertise and professionalism of our skilled mechanics who use state-of-the-art equipment for thorough and accurate vehicle inspections. The reliability and convenience offered by flexible appointment times are also highly valued. Moreover, our competitive pricing ensures clients get the best value for their money, making MK12 Autocare a trusted choice in Milton Keynes. Join the community of satisfied clients at MK12 Autocare and experience unparalleled car care services. Book your appointment today and drive with confidence, knowing that your vehicle is in expert hands. For more information, visit our website www.mk12autocare.com. Thanks for watching.